Hello, you are welcome to Science Maths. You are welcome to Science Maths Insights. And as we always do, we are learning or relearn. We are always improving knowledge and skills to our learners in school and beyond. So what are we learning today? Today we are learning comparing and ordering fractions. Comparing and ordering fractions. So what we have to know is to compare fractions of the same quantity, we use the symbol greater than or less than. We use the symbol greater than or less than. So I'm giving you some examples so that we solve it together. So what we have to know is fractions with the same denominator are simple to compare. Fractions with the same denominator are simple to compare. So let's assume we have 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5. They are easy to compare. So if you are comparing this kind of fractions, in ascending order, we are comparing it in ascending order. We know that ascending order is from the smallest to the biggest, and the descending order is from the biggest to the smallest. So if we are comparing this, so comparing in ascending order. So from the smallest, we have 1 out of 5. It is being arranged already. 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5, and 4 out of 5. But if it is in descending order, if it is descending or in descending order, we start from 4 out of 5, 3 out of 5, 2 out of 5, and 1 out of 5. So with this, it is in descending order. So let's go to the next one. So what if the denominators are different? What if the denominators are different and we are to arrange numbers in order of size? So arrange the numbers in order of size. So rearranging the numbers in order of size. If we are arranging the numbers in order of size, one thing we have to know is, let's arrange, we have 1 out of 3, 1 out of 3, 1 out of 2, we have 2 out of 5, we have 1 out of 4. We have 2 out of 5, we have 1 out of 4. Since the denominators are different, first we have to find the common denominator. So by finding the common denominator, we have to multiply the denominators. So we have 3 times 2 times 5 times 4. 3 times 2 give us 6. This will give us this. So it means common denominator is what? 120. So therefore, common denominator is equal to 120. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is we are going to find, or we can use it as a common denominator. So we are now going to solve it. We are solving the answers or the question over there. So let's do it together. We first pick 1 out of 3. How many 3's can go into this? 40. We are going to multiply the 40 by both the numerator and the denominator. So we will get 40 out of 120. So 1 out of 3 is 40 out of 120. Let's go to the next one. 1 out of 2. How many 2's can go into this? 60. So 60 out of 120. How many 5's can go into 120? 24 out of 24. We have what? 48 out of 120. And how many 4 can go into 120? 30. So of 120. So we now have 1 out of 3 is equivalent to 140 out of 120. And we have 1 out of 2 is equivalent to 1 out of 2 is equivalent to 60 out of 120. We have 2 out of 5 is equivalent to 48 out of 120. We have 1 out of 4 is equivalent to 130 out of 120. Right now, what we are coming to do, what we will do next is rearranging it in order of size. So right now we are arranging it in ascending order. In ascending order, let's check in. The ones which is small is 30. So we have 30 out of 120. We have 40 out of 120. We have 48. Yes, we have 48 out of 120. And we have 60 out of 120. So it means that, therefore, we're using the given fractions. Using the given fractions. 1 out of 4 is less than 1 out of 4 is less than 1 out of 3, less than 2 out of 5, and less than 2 out of 5 and less than 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. So it means that the smaller number, we should know that the smallest fraction is the one with the smallest numerator, and the largest fraction is the one with the largest numerator. The largest numerator. So this is what we've solved with the with different denominators. So we can also solve this by using the least common multiples. You can also use the least common multiples. So I will give you a question so that you solve it using the least common multiples. And you send it to me in the comment section. You send it to me in the comment section so that I'll go through it for you. Then I will give you the answers. So I'm giving you some sample questions to do. Then you bring it, you send it, you do it and send it to me in the comment section. So arrange. We are arranging. Arrange 1 out of 3. Arrange 1 out of 3. 1 out of 2. 1 out of 3. 1 out of 2. 2 out of 5. And 1 out of 4. In order of size. Using the LCM, the least common multiple. So you can do the work in the comment section so that I'll go through your answers. Thank you.